Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm redoing this piece that I got at a yard sale. I removed the top so I was able to flip it over and work on the legs because the legs were water damaged. And this is what they looked like before. I'm just removing everything, using the original legs as a template to make the new legs. So I trace everything. This is the tool that I'm using to cut the legs. I did put back the parts that were not water damaged back onto the bottom. We screwed holes into the wood so that way it makes it easier when we do cut it. We messed up on one of them, so we had to redo it. We just retraced it, cut it out, because one of the legs was not leveled, so we had to redo it. I'm just cleaning it here so I can put the wood glue and then get ready to brad nail the new legs. And then my recording skills weren't great to this day, but it's okay. This is what the legs look like now. I'm just making sure everything's leveled before I secure it down. This is the brad nailer that I'm using, the Ryobi. And I also use wood glue. I stained it to match the color of the bench. It's so awesome. It matched very well. I did add some support to the legs that we just built. Use wood glue and my brad nailer. And this is what it looks like. And it looks like the original legs. The stain matched so well, so you can even tell the difference. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay hustling. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.